aesthetic. It's got a couple of modes. It's got a blink mode, and it has a one that there's a little teeny piezo microphone that, like, bass is too low unless you're really slapping to get it to trigger, or if you have an amp and you could hear the whole band and it would make it blink in time with the music. With the idea, and I thought, well, maybe it's not good to have like EL wire around magnetic pickups, and it turns out that's true. No problem. If I put on the bridge pickup, but then if I roll up the highs here, this filter, this capacitor here, you hear that? Back the Truck Up. That's the name of my single. Anyways, looks cool right now if you want to have any sort of high end, but that also means it's probably very fixable. Whether either, I'm not sure if shielding's going to help, like shielding the battery pack driver thing, or maybe a capacitor here, or capacitor somewhere else. I mean, that might roll off some high end. Like, I don't know. I'll be looking for tips on how to get rid of EL wire hum on Google in a second. I kind of like the Back the Truck Up jam. Anyways, there you go. That's what we got.